Hey Algebra 2, in this video we're going to be doing section 6.3 day 2, solving with logs. So we're going to solve an equation with logarithms. I'm just going to teach via example. So the first problem we're going to do is log base 8 of x equals negative 2. So most of the time you want to decide, do I want to switch into an exponent or switch into a logarithm? In this case, hopefully obviously, you want to switch to an exponent. So we're going to rewrite this as 8 to the negative second, right, because our base is 8. So 8 to the negative second equals x. And now it's just a matter of remembering our properties of exponents. So if we have 8 to the negative second, to make that positive exponent, we do the reciprocal. And 8 squared is 64. So 1 over 64 is what x equals. Alright, so doing another example. Basically in these examples, what you need to know is how to rewrite a logarithm. You need to know the definition. And then you also need to know your properties of exponents. So if I have log base 32 of x equals 1/5, I'm going to rewrite this as an exponential. 32 to the power of 1/5 equals x. Now we learned about fractional exponents as well. Fractional exponents can be rewritten as a radical. So I'm going to rewrite this as the 5th root of 32. And then we're looking for what to the 5th power, if anything, so that we can take something out. And 32, if you remember, is actually 2 to the 5th power. So the 5th root will cancel with the 5th power, and we are just left with 2. So 2 equals x. Alright. Two log base 3 of x plus 28 equals 6. Let's do this one. So before we write this in logarithmic form, we need to just have the log by itself. So we want to divide both sides by 2. So this will be log base 3 of x plus 28 equals 3. And now we can write it in logarithmic form. So 3 to the 3rd power equals x plus 28. 3 cubed, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. And then we just need to subtract 28, so negative 1 equals x. Alright, let's just do one more. Change it up a bit. $25 equals 10 to the power of x minus 1. So in this example, I want to rewrite this as a logarithm because we want to get the x minus 1 out of the exponent. So this will be log base. Remember, it's the base of your exponent, so log base 10, which technically you don't have to write. So log base 10 of 25 equals x minus 1. So I'm going to add my 1. And when I add my 1, I should put this in parentheses to make sure I know like the log is only with the 25, not the 1. So I'm going to rewrite this as log of 25 and then add 1. And that's going to be our exact answer. So this is the exact answer. And then we're going to need a calculator to finish this. So I'm going to grab my calculator. And there's a button called log. So I'm going to turn my calculator on, and like we talked about the other day, base 10 is most common. So if I just press log, it's automatically in base 10, like we are here. So log of 25, close my parentheses, plus 1. And then let's round to the nearest 1,000. So this is going to be 2.398 approximately. And that's our approximate answer. And you should always give an exact answer and an approximate answer unless otherwise told.